Hi friends, so this video shows how to install Google Cloud SDK in your laptop or PC. So first we need to create environment variable for correct distribution. Just execute this command. So let me check it. Just do echo Cloud SDK repo. You can see. So after that, add a Cloud SDK distribution URI as a package source. Then import the Google Cloud Platform public key. Then update package list and install Cloud SDK. So you can see this command apt get install Google Cloud SDK. So this command will install Google Cloud SDK in your system. Okay, installation completed. So let me initialize the SDK. Just run gcloud init. You can see now it's checking network connection. You must log in to continue. Would you like to log in? Type Y and press enter. Then it will open your browser. There you have to log in with your Gmail ID and password. You should have Google Cloud account. Just log in with Gmail ID and password. Okay, done. Now I have successfully initialized gcloud SDK. So let me verify it. So if you want to see gcloud help, just type gcloud -help. So if you want to see the topics, just run gcloud topic. Gcloud topic. Okay, you can see the topic. So let me verify. Just run. I'm going to list all the virtual machines which I created in my account. Just run gcloud compute instances list. These are the virtual machines I created in my account. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. So this way we can install gcloud SDK in our laptop or PC.